I'm Stan Prosser.
And I'm Kim Prosser, and this is Q-Tip.
We're proud owners of Precision Door Service, the premier garage door sales and service company in the Portland, Vancouver area. We've lived in Portland for over 45 years and know that in the Northwest, there's little difference between friends, neighbors, and customers.
In fact, over 30% of our business comes from customers who were referred by friends, family, and neighbors or have used Precision Door in the past.
We pride ourselves in offering the best in quality products along with real award-winning customer service, certified professional technicians and installers. The garage door is the single largest moving part in your home and can become extremely dangerous when it's not operating properly. You can trust Precision and the team to take care of your home and garage door responsibly. At Precision, we choose to be the best. Please visit our website where you can see what your neighbors are saying about us. We invite you to read the reviews, learn more about our technicians.
You can make an appointment online or you can call us 24 hours. Remember, we offer service and repair 7 days a week with no extra charge on weekends.
Kim and I personally guarantee you a professional experience from start to finish. Precision Door. It's a name you can trust.